Simplifying your success is more than just a phrase to us. Rather, it is the ethos that has driven us on a 30-year journey to simplifying business success. By simplifying business software, by building lifetime relationships, and by seeing ERP as the most important driver of business success. The streets of ERP are littered with failed implementations and broken promises. Often, ERP systems are forced to rest on legacy applications that are the detritus of the past and the seeds of future inefficiencies. The market for ERP is awash with offerings, from dressed-up accounting packages through to the gigantic and hugely expensive offerings of the so-called Big Three. Yet, over the course of 30 years, we have managed to accumulate a client base of more than 14,000 companies in more than 60 countries. We have achieved this on the basis of one simple proposition: that choosing SYSPRO is the only ERP decision you'll ever need to make. But is this true? For surely businesses will grow. Surely needs will change as the world gets flatter and more competitive. Where becoming truly lean in every corner of the enterprise is its only hope of survival. The answer lies in the one aspect of SYSPRO that is truly unique in the world of ERP, a thing which can best be explained by way of analogy. In 1948, the very first Porsche sports model was built, and ever since it has evolved feature by feature until the present offering. Looking at the Porsche of today, the uninterrupted pedigree of 60 years of enhancement is instantly recognizable. The same is true of SYSPRO. Its latest release is a logical progression from its very first offering back in 1978, which ranks the company as a true pioneer of ERP. SYSPRO is 100% owned by its people. Its users comprise an immense global forum where each has an interest in seeing the product improved. With SYSPRO, improvement is constant and unabating. In a typical year, a user will see its ERP system effortlessly enriched by literally hundreds of enhancements. Enhancements that are released well in advance of anticipated user needs. Hence, SYSPRO was one of the earliest adopters of Microsoft.NET, and the toolkit it provides enables SYSPRO users to meet virtually any e-business challenge. Hence, its anticipation of Sarbanes-Oxley and a spate of other corporate governance standards. Hence, its absolute obsession with data protection and system security. Hence, the fact that service-orientated architecture has been at the core of SYSPRO for nearly a decade. The typical SYSPRO purchaser is not hung up on technology for technology's sake, but demands a unique blend of robust, proven and current technology. They will appreciate lower total cost of ownership and the superb scalability of SYSPRO's ERP solution, its effortlessness and upgradability, plus the fact that SYSPRO has one of the highest retention rates in the industry. By now, as the world heads towards the end of the first decade of the 21st century, most business enterprises are using an ERP system of some shape or form, ranging from Excel spreadsheets to the very complex offerings of the Big Three. In other words, inadequate systems at one end of the spectrum, unaffordable systems at the other. In between, and for the majority of enterprises, there exists a hodgepodge of legacy applications. All of this begs two simple questions. When is it too late to replace what you have? And when is it too late to take the only ERP decision you'll ever need to make? In other words, when is it time to simplify your success?